Hey, to add new user into your Nothing Phone 2a, you will have to just go into the settings, then scroll down all the way down, move to the system, and now select multiple users. From this, you have to click on this switcher, and as you can see from this, we can actually create the user account, add guest, and you can enable this function to allow guests to use the phone, so the call history will be shared with the guest user, and also you can add users from the lock screen. So now if you want to create this profile, click right here. Now click next. From this you can pick the photo for this user by clicking here. You can just pick the default one, but you can also pick something from your gallery. Then you can click done if you set it up like you want. Now you can also pick the name and click done. Now you have to wait, and if you want to switch into this account, you have to click right here. Also, if you want to let this second person to make the phone calls and messages, you can just click right here and enable this feature. And if you want to delete this profile user, you can just click in this place. There we go. And that's how it works. Right now, please subscribe.